Assalamualaikum. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to present my project and introduce myself. This is Fahamin Hokorpa from Digital Logic Design Section F. My project name is Traffic Lights Controller using IC555 timer and counters. So let's get started. Components. At first, I need to design my project. So I need one IC555 timer, one counters, one DC power supply, one ground, two capacitors, two resistors, and three probe, which is known as lights, red, green, and yellow. What is IC555 timer? IC555 timer is a one type of chip used in different applications like an oscillator, pulse generator, and timer. The operating range of this IC ranges from 4.5 volt to 15 volt DC supply. The functional parts of the 555 timer IC includes flip-flop, voltage divider, and a comparator. The main function of this IC is to generate an accurate timing pulse. Pin configuration of IC555. Ground pin. Pin 1 is a ground pin which is used to supply a 0 voltage to the IC. Trigger pin. Pin 2 is a trigger pin which is used to convert the flip-flop from set to reset. The output of the timer depends on the amplitude of the external trigger pulse that is applied to the trigger pin. Output pin. Pin 3 is an output pin. Reset pin. Pin 4 is a reset pin when the negative pulse is applied to this pin to disable or reset. A false triggering can be neglected by connecting to VCC. Pin configuration of IC555 continued. Control voltage pin. Pin 5 is the control voltage pin used to control the pulse width of the output waveform and also the levels of threshold and trigger. When an external voltage is applied to this pin, then the output waveform will be modulated. Threshold pin. Pin 6 is the threshold pin. When the voltage is applied to threshold pin, then it constant with a defined voltage. The set state of the flip-flop can be depends on the amplitude of the spin. Discharge pin. Pin 7 is the discharge pin. When the output of the open collector discharges a capacitor between the intervals, then it toggles the output from high to low. Supply terminal. Pin 8 is the voltage supply pin which is used to supply the voltage to the IC with respect to the ground terminal. What is counter? A counter is a device which stores the number of times a particular event or process has occurred, often in relationship to a clock. The most common type is a sequential digital logic circuit with an input line called the clock and multiple output lines. The values on the output lines represent a number in the binary or BCD number system. Each pulse applied to the clock input increments or decrements the number in the counter. It is usually constructed of a number of flip-flops connected in cassette. Counters are a very widely used component in digital circuits and are manufactured as separate integrated circuits and also incorporated as parts of larger integrated circuits. Now let's start my simulation part. I have used this software called Multisim to simulate my project. Here you can see that I have used one IC555 timer and one counter and then connected them with each other. Here, the reset pin is connected in between VCC and R2. The discharge pin is connected in between R1 and R2. Threshold pin is connected with trigger pin and the trigger pin is connected with C1. C1 is connected with R1 and R1 is connected with R2 and R2 is connected with VCC and the DC voltage. C1 is also connected with ground and C2 is connected with control voltage and the ground. The output is connected with the counter. The output of the counter is connected with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 diodes and the connected diodes are connected with three probes. The probes are called X1, X2 and X3. Now let's simulate it. The lights are gone. After a few seconds it's red and then it will be green and then it will be yellow. That's how it works. Hope you like it. Thank you.